Digital Events is an event designing company. We have been designing events since 2012. It has been my passion since I was growing up, helping out with family events, relatives. Then I joined the hotel industry. I joined the Imperial Group of Hotels, where I was doing the banqueting. I dealt with a lot of events people, decorators, photographers, DJs. So I started my own business with a team of people. We are a team of passionate, creative, and dedicated people who create events right from concept building to production up to breakdown of the event. Our services include events decoration. With events decoration is wide. It comes from the flowers, the floral design, the lighting, the table setup, the ceiling decor. Decoration is very wide, especially if you're doing a social event like a wedding. We start right from the entrance. Do you want a dramatic entrance? Do you want a simple walkway? We listen to our clients. What does the client want? If they say they want simple, you be simple. If they want to go big, we go big. If they want to, it's according to which kind of themes they want. Do they want a traditional theme? Do they want a rustic theme? Do they want a fairy tale theme? We sit down with the client and understand their visions, their values, and we make their dreams come to life. Other services include gifting. We do gift hampers that are specially made for which kind of person. Is it someone's birthday? Is it Mother's Day? Do you want to gift your husband? What do you want to communicate? We do gift hampers that fit into everyone's needs. We do product launches. If you want to launch a product where you want anyone who comes into the room to understand that they're launching this product, with the decoration setup, anyone who comes in will know that this is a new product that they are launching on the market. We do ceremony backdrops where we go to an event and they want us to only work on the backdrop, or how they want them to look behind, especially now with the Zoom meetings. How do they want their Zoom people to see their background and they know that which kind of work they are doing or something. So we do that kind of setup. We do lighting, the mood light. We have mood lights, power cans, the floodlights. Do they want the mood to change when they're cutting cake? How do they want the mood to be when the bride is entering the room? We are doing all kinds of events. Let it be social events like weddings, birthdays, baby showers, engagement parties, anniversaries, something as small as a christening, something as big as a 1,000 wedding. We do those traditional weddings, different traditions. Then we also have corporate events. We are doing the conferences, the product launches, the workshops, team buildings. We do something as big as an exhibition, and do something as big as an award ceremony, and we can do something as small as a small staff party or a Zoom party. We do all those kinds of events. The sky is the limit for us, especially with events. We go to places. We have gone to different destinations out of Kampala. We've gone to Bushenyi, we've gone to Gulu, we've gone to the east, we've gone as far as Zanzibar, we've gone to Mombasa. So if you come with an event and you have a destination that is really far, when we reach that destination, we usually first go there and first site visit. Then we get someone from that side. It could be someone who knows the language. It could be someone who is decorating that side, so that they help us with what we can bring and what we cannot bring. Then we execute that event very well. The other thing is that we make people's dreams and vision come to life. We don't underestimate people's visions. Someone could be dreaming of something. They come here and be dreaming of this. You know, when I come out of the car, this is flashing. I see light coming here and here. We don't underestimate. We make sure we give them what they were envisioning and make it come to life, and they are wowed at their events. The other thing is that we are very professional at how we communicate with our clients. Even at the site, my team is very professional, even dealing with clients and delivering the service. We try our best to keep time. We work overnight, we work 2 days before, so that by the time of the event, the customer comes in and their event is done.
As a wedding planner, I have worked several times with Sleek Ads, and I have found them to be very reliable and creative. I have referred several clients to them as well, and I've only got good feedback about their services. Working with Salma, she will ensure that she has got the theme of the event properly. When they have a venue and they set it up and you've been there before, you will wonder whether you're in the same place, because it is really transformed. You will find every space well covered, all the tables well set. Sleek Ads sets up in time, they are thoughtful, and they will always give you a wow surprise. And another time we had a wedding, and just above the dance floor they created these stars and lights creation above the dancing floor, and it was really beautiful. It was like a scene from heaven, and it completely transformed the decor of the wedding. So Sleek Ad is definitely the people to make your wedding unforgettable.
Thank you to Salma for the work well done. We contacted her last minute, but she proved her point beyond and above.
For a corporate company that can give me a retainer, where I have a framework contract with them, and maybe they're doing 2 events in a month. That's my kind of client. I'm also looking for a company that has that can give me their floral work, where I can do deliveries to their offices, the fresh flowers, like maybe twice a week. I would be excited for such a client. I also want people giving me their destination weddings or events, wherever. It could be out of the country, it could be in the country. We can work within your budgets. I'm also looking for this young couple that is just starting off with their plans. They're starting off with a small, visiting the family, their giveaway ceremony, their wedding, later on doing the birthdays for their kids, their bridal showers, their baby showers. That kind of couple that I can grow with into their families. At Sleek Ad, we make your events shine.